Are you looking for a condo in one of the Philippines' top island destinations? Royal Ocean Crest Mactan by Primary Homes Inc. combines resort-style living and convenience, all within reach of Cebu's business and lifestyle hubs. Mactan has been ranked among the world's top islands. Just an hour away from Manila by plane and only a 15-minute drive to Mactan Cebu International Airport, the island offers both accessibility and leisure. From historic landmarks like Magellan's Cross and Fort San Pedro to world-class resorts, Mactan is a destination where culture meets modern living. Royal Ocean Crest is designed in a neo-Asian minimalist theme and strategically located near shopping, hospitals, schools, and resorts. It is located along Sugduntugan Road, Barangay Basak, Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu, with a total area of 1.4 hectares. The project has 4 mid-rise buildings. 3 of those buildings are residential, while 1 building is commercial. The buildings have a total of 15 stories with about 17 units per floor, with a total of 952 units. We have 3 unit types available: studio at 28 to 32 square meters, 1-bedroom units at 28 to 30 square meters, and 2-bedroom units at 60 square meters. There are also community amenities that residents can enjoy, such as clubhouse with function rooms, a fitness gym, jogging path, shooting hoops and play area, manicured gardens and grilling station, and a guardhouse with 24/7 security. As for the building features, Royal Ocean Crest Mactan has 2 elevators per building, CCTV and fire protection system, wide, well-ventilated hallways, a standby generator so there will be no blackouts in case of any brownouts, provisions for telephone, cable, and internet. For the unit deliverables, buyers can choose between 2 unit types, bare or finished. So finished units have painted walls, tiled floors, kitchen countertops, cabinets, tiled bathroom with fixtures, provision for aircon, and balconies for selected units. Bare units come with painted walls and ceiling, cement flooring, kitchen countertops with sink, and basic under-counter cabinets with no partitions. Why invest in Royal Ocean Crest Mactan? First off, the developer has a strong track record because Primary Homes, as the developer, has delivered over 50 projects with 15,000 plus units across Cebu, Bohol, and Negros. Strategic location. The project is near malls, hospitals, and business parks and resorts as well in Mactan. Tourism and infrastructure growth. Mactan continues to attract both investors and residents with new airports, road networks, and resort developments. As of September 2025, 1-bedroom units, there are about 49 units available with an average size of 30 square meters with a price range of 4.3 to 4.4. While we have 1-bedroom units with a floor area of 44 square meters with a price range of 6.5 million. For 2-bedroom units, there are only a handful of units available with a floor area of 60 square meters with an average price range of 8.7 to 8.8 million. So quick disclaimer, information shared is based on my knowledge at this time of posting and may change, so please reach out to me for the latest updates. For more questions on this project or to schedule an online presentation, message me. My info is in the description, and I'll see you in my next video.